Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EA&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, most of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and parts of Mississippi. The cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Dallas, Texas, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Irving, Texas. There's a slight risk tomorrow covering parts of east central Oklahoma, parts of Texas, parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, far northwestern Georgia, most of Tennessee, southern Kentucky, far south central Illinois, northern Arkansas, and southern Missouri. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Arlington, Texas, and Birmingham, Alabama. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Alright, the dark green is the marginal for tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Austin, Texas, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Nashville, Tennessee, and Waco, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of an isolate of tornadoes tomorrow. Alright, the 5% is in the brown. The 5% tornado risk, by the way, tomorrow covers southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, northern Louisiana, most of Arkansas, far southern Missouri, northwestern Mississippi, and west central Tennessee. And areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area for tomorrow. The dark green is the 2%. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Jackson, Mississippi. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 or stronger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 or stronger tornadoes. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0, but there could be an isolated EF1 even outside the black dashed area too. So, but again, the highest potential for the EF1 or higher is within the black dashed area for tomorrow. Alright? So yeah. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. Now for the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, most of Arkansas, far southeastern Missouri, northern Louisiana, northern half of Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, and parts of Tennessee. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, and Shreveport, Louisiana. There is a 15% wind risk area tomorrow covering parts of east central Oklahoma, parts of Texas, a little bit of Louisiana, a little bit of Arkansas, southern Missouri, a little bit of central Mississippi, parts of Alabama, far northwestern Georgia, central Tennessee, and southern Kentucky. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Arlington, Texas, Birmingham, Alabama, and Huntsville, Alabama. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Austin, Texas, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Nashville, Tennessee, and Waco, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index for tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or stronger from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, area Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 55 to 70 miles per hour. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 55 to 70 miles per hour. But again, the black dashed area has the highest potential for the 74 plus mile per hour gusts. Okay? Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Irving, Texas. Now for tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, and southwestern Arkansas. The 30% hail risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Irving, Texas. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering parts of east central Oklahoma, parts of Texas, northern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, southern Missouri, most of Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, western half of Tennessee, and far southwestern Kentucky. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Arlington, Texas, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Now, and there is the brown area. The brown area is the 5% hail risk for tomorrow. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Austin, Texas, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Kentucky, Birmingham, Alabama, and Knoxville, Tennessee. And if you notice, there is a black dashed area here. There is a black dashed area here, meaning the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail reaching or exceeding 2 inches in diameter tomorrow. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright, for tomorrow. So, but again, the highest potential for the 2 inch plus hail will be within the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. So, in summary, Saturday's strongest severe thunderstorm development is probable across parts of the southeastern Great Plains through the lower Mississippi and Tennessee valleys Tuesday afternoon and evening. Large to very large hail, slice of damaging wind, and a few tornadoes are possible. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.